In this video, I will walk you through a simple process on how to request an Uber with a car seat. Tap to open the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Enter your pickup location and your destination. Once both are entered, tap Confirm Destination. After confirming, Uber will display a list of available ride types in your area. Scroll through the list to see all your options. Search for an option labeled Car Seat or Car SE. This option will only appear if there are drivers with car seats available in your area. If the car seats option is visible, tap on it just like you would for any other ride. Proceed to book the ride as normal. If the car seat option does not appear, it means there are no available drivers nearby offering that service at the moment. Availability can vary based on location and time of day. And that's how you request an Uber with a car seat. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.